Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Snapchat not saving pictures in gallery or camera roll. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on Snapchat, and here tap on Photos, and here select Full Access. And then go to your Snapchat app and tap on your profile photo and tap on the settings icon, and here tap on Memories, tap on Save button, and here select Camera Roll, and now restart your Snapchat app, and now on all of your Snapchat photos and pictures will be automatically saved in your camera roll and gallery. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.